Hi. We're back with the zodiacs. So we're doing Libra today, obviously. So I did say in the end of my Virgo tutorial that we're going all out again for Libra, and I actually really like this one. I feel like this is a very Libra look. I'm kind of glad that it turned out this way. We've gone for the very glam tones, romantic, and just those Libra flirty kind of vibes. So I hope you like the look of this makeup look. If you're a Libra, let me know. Yes, subscribe if you want to. Give the video a thumbs up as well. We'll see how we did this. Okay. So Libra. This turned out to be the most Libra palette ever. So this is the Urban Bible palette from Sosu, and it's a collab with Kaylee. She's a makeup artist. She's a babe. I love her. Look at that palette. That is the tones. Okay, it's a lot of darkness over here. It's kind of like a Libra and Scorpio palette, to be fair. Like, that's your Scorpio side, and this is kind of like your Libra vibes. So this is the eye look we've gone for. We've gone for a very bold one. We've gone for the more like florally kind of tones, like the lavender, rose, that kind of thing. And that's what we're doing. So let's do it. So I was too lazy to use my P. Louise eyeshadow base, so we're just going to use some concealer on the lid. Okay, once we're looking nice and fresh like that, we're going to start using the palette. So we're going to do what I usually do. I'm just going to point, and we'll just do it like that because everyone knows how to use eyeshadow. So let's do it. Okay, I think we'll finish off the eyes because we don't want an absolute shambles like that one time I literally almost finished the video without putting mascara on. Okay, let's sort this face out. I thought Libras are pretty bougie, right? They're pretty, you know, fancy pants. Like, who's a Libra that I can think of that's pretty fancy? Who's like a posh? Kim Kardashian. She's a Libra. She's very Libra as well. The bougie people. So I thought we do skincare, and I think we'll just be a bit extra today. So I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've never actually used this before. Why did that kind of like work straight away? Okay, is it just me? Probably is just me, I don't know. That kind of made me look a bit more awake. Okay, moving on. I'm going to prep the skin as well, so I haven't got any moisturiser or anything on. I think I'm just going to use this. So this is the 4th Ray Beauty Radiate Vitamin C Elixir. I haven't really used this that much. It is really nice and glowy though, I do really like it. Is it just me, or does anyone actually not know what an elixir is? Like, when I hear the, oh, I've just rubbed half my eyebrow off. But like, for me, like when I hear the word elixir, I think of like some medieval potion or something that like a wizard would make. And like, I don't really know what it is. Like, is it a serum? Is it a primer? Cause like, oh, it's a serum and oil. Oh, okay. I mean, we look nice and glowy, so that's fine with me. Primer. Didn't pick one out. Give me a second. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use this. This is the Barry M blurring primer. Don't really think it blurs much, but I want to keep using it. Keep trying it. Not gonna lie, it was also like the first one in the drawer that I could reach, so I just went with that. For foundation, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. Love this. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use what I use to prime my lids, which is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. And I use medium 90W. That was hard, wasn't it? To set all that, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Blur Powder. Let me just finish off the lower lash line really quickly. We know I'm not really going to do much, so I'll just speed through this a little bit. To contour, I'm going to use the Sosu Cream Contour Stick. I thought we'll channel a bit of Kim K today, you know, seeing as she's a Libra. So I thought we'd cream contour. Then I'm going to use another bronzer just to kind of give a nice little glow. This is by Autograph. It's the Luminosity Multi Bronzer. I don't really use this that much, but it's just a really glowy situation. For blush, we're going to use we're kind of going to go for some rosy tones as well, because that's like an important flower for Libras. So I'm going to use the Barry M Blusher palette, and I'm just going to take kind of this one just here. Then for highlight, we're going all out. I'm going to use the Pure Highlighting Palette, and I think I'm just going to mix like these, see how that goes. Ooh, okay, just to finish off, I'm going to use the Disney Villains lipstick in Hades. I love this. Beaut. And then I'm going to go over top with Unreal from Hourglass, and that's just a lip gloss. Okay, we're done. So this is it for the Libra tutorial. Hope you liked it. If you're a Libra, let me know. Hope you like this face. If you did enjoy the video, then give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.